For the duration of this video, I will be showing you how to check fire conditions and where they are. I am going to first warn you, when a fire condition does occur, never silence or never reset straight away. You should always rather mute, which will mute the buzzing of the panel. You go do your investigation. After you've done your investigation and you've seen that what it is, if it's a fire, false fire, whatever the case may be, and you've taken the precautionary action, do you then decide to reset or silence? So I'll be creating a fire condition by pushing this manual call point. Push the manual call point, fire condition comes through. Our sounders and strobe lights are going off. On the panel you'll notice it is in zone 1. There's your zone indication and it is indicated on the fire control panel. I will mute it just so I can now get my train of thought together and see it is in zone 1. By pushing the side arrow, same as we did with the fault, it would first come up with your location. Under fire location, it would normally just tell you building 1, building 2, whatever the case may be. The text is not descripted in this panel. We haven't programmed it in, but it will be done under your installer. The next would be the device text. Now it would tell you that it's a manual call point on there. It'll tell you, sorry, there, manual call point, and your device text will say escape route 1, 2, or 3. Now I've noticed that it is a call point and somebody's obviously pushed the call point. There is no fires. Now I can go, I reset, I've investigated, I've reset my call point. I come back to my panel and I say everything is fine. I proceed to silence the panel. Now all my sounders are silenced and I proceed to reset my panel back to normal condition. Please note you only silence and reset once you've done full investigation. Thank you.